is India's first tennis league, graced by the legend Leander Paes, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, sports personalities, and avid tennis lovers, all with the huge support of the Indian tennis fraternity. Mumbai, the city of dreams, witnessed more than 1500 plus enthusiastic tennis players with specialized sessions with a nutritionist and physiotherapist. Each player was molded for the league. Ahmedabad, the home of the best tennis infrastructure in India, saw phenomenal turnout from all age groups, and the day grabbed all the media attention. Hyderabad's Talent Day just reinforced that TPL is the future of tennis in India, and soon we will produce many more great champions. At the last stop of the tour, the capital city of Delhi received a whopping response with over 1800 plus people witnessing the game-changing league and players in a never-seen-before action. The journey didn't stop here because once again, TPL went out of its way to bring sports and glamour together, all for a photo shoot by none other than celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha. One step away from the league, the player auctions under the auspices of AITA and MSLTA was a tough battle between the team owners for the top players of India. After all, it's about creating best team players. Country's top players, high octane energy, the founders Kunal Thakur and Mrunal Jain, Leander Paes, Nakul Preet Singh, Sonali Bendre, Divya Khosla Kumar, Arjun Rampal, Sashank Khaitan, Himesh Reshamya was seen at the power-packed courts of the Kotak Mahindra Bank Tennis Premier League Season 2. The league began with a bang, exemplary techniques, unexpected twists, confidence, a fine display of sportsmanship by wheelchair players, and incredible support took the dynamics of Season 2 to the next level. Because this isn't just a sport, it's a dream. It's Tennis Premier League. Get ready for the game. Get ready for tennis. Courts to reopen soon.
Definitely, I think a year back when both of them, Kunal and Ronald, came in the office and they told me the vision of TPL and being season 3, we we brought this team, Pune Jaguars, with honor of with Sonali Binde. Being a sportsman, it's always when cricket has been always been religion in India, because you see every child that grows up wants to hold the bat and become Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, name. Other sports get neglected, but with people like Kunal and Runal, uh, they are giving a platform for young people who are aspiring their careers in tennis, who want to represent the country one day in tennis. And as a group, we do support a lot of sports activities and sportsmen. They don't know, but there was a player called Mikha Yadav. who represented India in under 16 Wimbledon, and she was exclusively signed with our by our company for a few years, and that's how my association with tennis is. And also now we have got a new team in badminton, also Premier Badminton League recently. So our group is always there to support young talent, and the sports which are being, no, I will not say neglected, but undershadowed due to cricket. I must not say this because I myself play cricket, and that's one of my favorite games. But this league will grow, and as IPL took time to grow, I'm definite that with all the team owners with whom you have, and the mentors and also the co-owners, TPL down the line in 3 years, you will see a different, the media friends will see TPL at a different level and different stage. Thank you.
That it's not too far when we have our strongest pillars, our team owners with us, who have the same vision which we have. It's always said that a plant grows when you water it correctly, when it is sowed properly. When we went to our team owners, when we said that we need to promote the sport, we need to promote the talent, we need to keep the sport alive in our country when this sport is worldwide famous. So that's when we got to go ahead from our team owners. And of course, this year Puniji has joined in. Shamba has then been there from the inception days. So I just want to say to everyone that cricket is there everywhere. It's a religion. Tennis is not a religion, I agree. But we can make it grow together. And this doesn't go without the support of the media industry. So the more you write about it, the more the talent gets motivated, the more the sport gets promoted, and more the children come every year for the registrations. Every year the number for the registrations have kept growing from 500 to 2000, 2000 to 3000. This number is going on increasing like marathon started. And that's the same thing which we are trying to do with TPL. And we just say that it's one family. That's why we have said that tennis community is coming together to show its strength, and TPL is here to say कि अब इंडिया खेलेगा tennis.
एक्चुअली मैं आई एम इन अ डायमंड, मुझे ये नॉलेज पर इन्होंने बताया तो मुझे लगा नहीं, सीरियसली गेम में ध्यान देना चाहिए जिससे इंडिया से अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर आए जो इंटरनेशनल खेले। ऑलरेडी है इंडिया पे बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं और लिएंडर जुड़े हुए थे, तो हम सबको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, लिए स्पेशली मेरी टीम को। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसके जैसे और अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयर आए जो इंडिया के लिए खेले, लीग के लिए खेले। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत खुश हूँ इस चीज़ से। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सीज़न फर्स्ट से ही जुड़े हुए हैं और हमने देखा है लीग को भी प्रोग्रेस करते हैं और टीम को भी प्रोग्रेस करते हैं। लास्ट सीज़न ये जीते थे, पर हम 100% श्योर है इस बार हम जीतेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर अ रनर्स अप, चैम्पियन इज हियर।
सर यूथ को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि यूथ ज़्यादा करके टेनिस के तरफ आता नहीं उसके
राइट
लिए।
राइट। अभी देखिए ये हम इसी मोटिव से आए हैं कि ये गेम को भी प्रमोट करें, लोग इस पे भी ध्यान दें और इस गेम को भी प्रमोट करें। और आप देखिए 1-2 साल जाने दीजिए, ये गेम भी अलग लेवल पे होगा इंडिया में।
थैंक यू।
All the top players of India. India number 1 Prajesh Guneswaran, India number 2 Ramkumar Ramanathan, India number 3 Yuki Bamri, Divij Charan, Purav Raja, Jeevan, Saket, Aryan Govis. All these guys are playing in the league. In the women's we have Ankita Raina, Rituja.
प्लस है, व्हील चेयर पे भी है, और मेंस ओपन है, वुमेन्स ओपन है, और मिक्स डबल्स भी रहेंगे, और मिक्स्ड मेंस की भी कैटेगरी और मेंस की भी डबल्स की कैटेगरी रहेगी। काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट रहा है। देखो हमारी ग्रुप जो है, एस बालन ग्रुप रहे, पुनीत बालन ग्रुप रहे, इसकी एक ही है दौरा है कि जितनी यंग टैलेंट है और जिसमें टैलेंट है उनके टैलेंट को नर्चर करना और ऐसे लोगों को सपोर्ट करना। आज अलग अलग फील्ड्स में क्रिकेट रहे, बैडमिंटन रहो, टेबल टेनिस रहे, एथलेटिक्स रहे, इसमें हमारी टीम की हमारी ग्रुप से काफ़ी एथलीट्स को हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं और टीम्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, जिसमें टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग की जो टीम है वो वन ऑफ द यूनिक टीम्स भी है। तो हम लोग सबको सपोर्ट करेंगे और यंग टैलेंट को एक ना एक दिन हमें ये खुशी होगी कि हमारा जो प्लेयर है जिसको हम लोग ने साइन किया है वो इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट करेगा।
एक शेवटचा थोडासा प्रश्न की जगात हा खेळ मोठ्या प्रमाणात खेळला जातो क्रिकेटपेक्षा जास्त, भारतात हा खेळ मागे राहण्याचं काय कारण आहे?
इसका रीज़न यही है कि मुझे लगता है कि क्रिकेट के बारे में इंडिया में काफ़ी ये है, यू कैन से क्या बोलते हैं उसकी ऑरा ज़्यादा है, उसके बारे में पब्लिसिटी ज़्यादा है। हर एक बच्चे को अगर आप देखोगे कि हर एक बच्चा की पेरेंट्स भी जो है उनको उनका बेटा बैट पकड़ के सचिन तेंदुलकर हो, MS धोनी हो, विराट कोहली हो, इसलिए ये जो गेम्स है टेनिस रहे बैडमिंटन रहे थोड़ा इनके पे मैं बोलूँगा निगलेक्ट नहीं होते लेकिन थोड़े ओवर शैडो होते हैं इस क्रिकेट से। लेकिन हमारी जो कोशिश है मैं वो हमारे मुंबई के ओनर्स है बाकी ओनर्स है, हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि ऐसे गेम्स को भी ऊपर लाए और इसको रिकग्निशन देना चाहिए।
Thank you, Puneet. I think it's a great honor to be a part of Pune Jaguars, especially when I'm born and brought up in Pune. And this league, I've been following it right from the first year, and every year it has just growing and growing. And it's a great sign for tennis. It's a great sign for the junior players of the country. And I think the best part is with the inclusion of the under 14 and under 18 category in the league, it gives the junior players a chance to just be with the top players of the country. And I mean, even if they don't play tennis against them, just being with them, surrounding themselves for a week with them, they get to learn a lot. This is the exposure that we often keep talking about. So the exposure that the junior players are going to get is just immense, just from this 1 week, which otherwise I think would not be possible for a lot of junior players. So I think this is the best part of the league that I really like as a tennis player and as a tennis coach. And I guess I'm all geared up for the 13th December to get the league started. Thank you.